Discover the wonders of Dubai's top attractions, from the vibrant Dubai Miracle Garden to the romantic Dubai Creek, and the grand Ibn Battuta Mall to the awe-inspiring Dubai Aquarium. Embark on a journey through the best places in this city of marvels. Number 10. Dubai Miracle Garden. Dubai's Miracle Garden, situated in the heart of the vibrant city of Dubai, is a true marvel of nature. This world-renowned botanical garden has gained international acclaim as the largest natural flower garden according to the Guinness Book of World Records. Spanning over 72,000 square meters, it showcases a breathtaking display of over 45 million blooming flowers and a stunning array of colors and intricate designs. Every visit to the garden is a unique experience, as the patterns, shapes, and designs change annually, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Be awe-inspired by the floral sculptures and structures, including a magnificent Emirates A380 aeroplane, an enormous teddy bear, and a grand floral clock, all meticulously crafted with flowers. Number 9. Dubai Creek. Dubai Creek, the epitome of romance in Dubai, reigns supreme among the city's must-visit destinations for couples. This natural seawater wonder gracefully winds its way through the heart of the bustling metropolis. Embark on a delightful boat or abra ride to explore the enchanting port and immerse yourselves in the city's vibrant atmosphere. As you cruise along, the picturesque views of Dubai's skyline blend seamlessly with the rich history that permeates the air, creating an ambience of timeless romance. Let the gentle waves carry you and your loved one on a captivating journey, where every moment becomes a cherished memory. Dubai Creek truly embodies the perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage, making it an idyllic and unforgettable experience for couples seeking a romantic escape. Number 8. Ibn Battuta Mall. Ibn Battuta Mall, a true marvel of grandeur, stands proudly as the world's largest theme-based shopping destination. With an astonishing array of over 270 shops, 50 tantalizing restaurants, and sprawling parking spaces spanning 4,500 square feet, this mall is a testament to Dubai's love for luxury and indulgence. Step into a world where architecture transcends imagination as you explore the mesmerizing design and cultural influences that adorn every corner. Number 7. Dubai Aquarium. Dubai Aquarium, nestled within the vibrant Dubai Mall, stands as an awe-inspiring testament to aquatic wonders. Discover a world of aquatic marvels as you step into one of the largest indoor aquariums on Earth. Immerse yourself in the captivating realm of over 33,000 marine creatures, representing a diverse tapestry of 140 species. This remarkable sanctuary not only enchants visitors but also champions marine conservation and education. Engage with passionate marine biologists and delve into their research and conservation efforts. Traverse the mesmerizing aquarium tunnel, a 48-meter walkway that unveils a mesmerizing panorama of fish, sharks, and rays gliding gracefully just inches away. Number 6. Al Sirkal Art District. One of Dubai's thriving havens for art connoisseurs, Al Sirkal Art District beckons with its vibrant energy. Discover a captivating world as you venture into numerous contemporary art galleries. From emerging art stand-ups to renowned establishments like I Am Gallery, Green Art Gallery, and The Third Line, this district showcases a diverse range of talent. Immerse yourself in the realm of artistic brilliance, where new voices and captivating works come to life. Beyond the galleries, indulge in the district's eclectic mix of local designer boutiques and tantalizing eateries. Feel the electric pulse of creativity, where every corner exudes an artsy allure and a sense of invigorating ambience. Number 5. Dubai Safari Park. Dubai Safari Park, an enchanting oasis in Dubai, beckons adventurers from around the globe. Immerse yourself in a vast wildlife reserve, a haven for rare and endangered species. Spanning over 119 hectares, the park transports you to diverse habitats, each teeming with captivating creatures. Embark on an African adventure, encountering majestic lions, agile cheetahs, graceful giraffes, and more. Journey to the Asian section, where tigers prowl, elephants roam, and mischievous primates swing through the trees. Delve into the Arabian section, where the unique flora and fauna of the Middle East come alive, showcasing the exquisite Arabian oryx, gazelles, and magnificent falcons. Enter the Safari Village, a delightful petting zoo, and embrace the joy of connecting with domesticated animals like playful goats, adorable rabbits, and fluffy sheep. Dubai Safari Park offers an immersive experience, blending education, conservation, and the thrill of encountering wildlife up close. Number 4. Ferrari World. The Ferrari world is not your ordinary car showcase. It's a thrilling adventure like no other. Situated in Abu Dhabi, it proudly stands as the largest amusement park in the region, captivating visitors since its inception in 2010. This exhilarating wonderland caters to all age groups, from the young at heart to the wise in years. Prepare for heart-pounding excitement as you ride on Ferrari-inspired attractions, immersing yourself in a world of adrenaline-fueled experiences. But that's not all. Between the thrilling rides, take a moment to explore the charming shops, offering a range of Ferrari-themed merchandise. And when hunger strikes, indulge your taste buds in delectable local favorites at the park's delightful restaurants. The Ferrari world is an unmissable gem, combining speed, entertainment, and culinary delights, making it an unforgettable highlight of any Dubai adventure. Number 3. Jumeirah Beach. With its crystal clear turquoise waters, powdery white sand, and breathtaking vistas of the iconic Burj Al Arab, Jumeirah Beach beckons travelers in search of an opulent seaside escape. This meticulously maintained coastal gem offers more than just sun-soaked relaxation. Dive into a world of aquatic adventures as you swim, indulge in thrilling water sports, or engage in lively beach volleyball matches. Surrounding the beach, a constellation of upscale hotels and resorts provide a lavish array of accommodations to suit every taste. But Jumeirah Beach is not just a beach, it's a gateway to Dubai's vibrant culture and history. Immerse yourself in an enlightening journey at the nearby Jumeirah Mosque, where guided tours unveil the treasures of Islamic culture and customs. And a short distance away, Dubai Marina entices with its eclectic mix of tantalizing dining, world-class shopping, and electrifying entertainment. Number 2. Dubai Fountain. Dubai Fountain, a captivating wonder, beckons adventurers seeking the extraordinary. Rising majestically as the tallest and most intricately choreographed fountain on the planet, it reaches an astounding height of 900 feet. Nestled within the heart of Burj Lake, it stands as a magnet for countless awestruck visitors. As the night unfolds, a symphony of water and lights enchants spectators, creating an enchanting spectacle. Prepare to be astounded by the architectural marvels and craftsmanship that brought this fountain to life. 6,600 dazzling lights and 25 color projectors form an awe-inspiring tapestry. The melodies that accompany the dance of water span across genres, from the timeless allure of classical compositions to the pulsating rhythms of contemporary hits. Let the Dubai Fountain transport you to a world where art, technology, and sheer grandeur converge in an unforgettable symphony of sights and sounds. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, a towering masterpiece, beckons travelers from around the globe to its awe-inspiring heights. Ascend to the 124th floor, where a world of breathtaking vistas awaits, unfolding a once-in-a-lifetime experience. From this elevated perch, behold the mesmerizing panorama that unfolds before your eyes. An endless expanse of desert stretching on one side, while the azure embrace of the turquoise ocean graces the other. The allure of Burj Khalifa is irresistible, an iconic gem that demands a place on every adventurer's itinerary. Prepare to be enthralled as you step into a realm where the limits of human achievement are redefined. Dubai, with its unmistakable skyline, offers a multitude of wonders, but none compare to the indescribable sensation of standing atop this architectural marvel. Embrace the extraordinary and let Burj Khalifa etch an indelible memory upon your soul. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed learning about Dubai, you can also check out our video about the top luxury hotels in Dubai. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.